Happy New Year to all of you. Let's make some more cherished memories in the year 2024. Hi everyone, welcome again to another episode of the series Shop and Create. Today's episode is about another store in Muscat where I quite regularly go and shop, ShahNagarDas, which is located in North Al Hail. They also have other stores located, one in Al Quair and another one in Ruby area. Now in today's visit, here are some of the items which I picked up from there. So the brand which I'm using is La Pajarita. It's a Spanish brand and this shade is Verde. This one is Violet Pasta Color 3D, which is smooth and shiny texture. And this one is Bordeaux, which is grainy and glittery texture. Along with that, I also bought Gold Flakes, which is non-branded product. Now let's get to the creativity part. I have this dry flower pot, old and broken, and I have been thinking for a while to give a new look or maybe add a bit of interest to the old pot. So I start with sanding the base to make the surface smooth for painting. To enhance its look, I'm adding paper clay pieces. If you're new to Muscat, then ShahNagarDas is the best store to visit because it has some good renowned brands in paints, art materials, craft supplies. While it might be challenging to find the right vessels to fit your decor, don't let that deter you. It's easy to learn how to give pots a unique look. Here is everything you need to know to make these pieces of art yourself. The great thing about this project is that the materials are so affordable. For the cost of one decorative planter or pot from your favorite home store, you can make 3 or 4 of your own custom versions. So now I am just highlighting the clay pieces with this shiny smooth paint. Well, you can also use gold or silver wax to do this step. If you are new to this channel or you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for new videos or any sort of updates. I could have left the inside part as it is, but then I thought it's better to give the surface an even and clean look with the grainy textured paint. I'm using gold flakes for the first time. Well, the process of applying them looks quite easy, but it's not. You really need a lot of patience. I used regular glue here. One mistake I did here was that I did not let the glue dry a bit. You want the glue to be sticky but not wet before you start applying the gold flakes. Maybe that's why it looks slightly messy. Anyhow, we'll keep that in mind for my next project. So, who would have thought that you could achieve such a stunning look with just paint, gold flakes and clay? It's a perfect addition to our living room. So that was a quick tutorial and a little bit about another store in Muscat. So if you like the idea, do let me know in your comments. See you until next time. Have a great day.